If you suddenly can't post on X, here's the actual reason. People think Twitter is glitching or their account got banned, but not. Elon literally changed the app so free users can only do a limited amount of posts and replies every day. If you don't pay for X Premium, you can only post around 50 times and reply about 200 times per day. After that, X starts blocking your post, giving errors, or your replies just won't send. So what you see, post failed, something went wrong, or try again later, that's usually why. Twitter isn't broken, Elon made it this way to push people into buying premium. Basically, free users is equals to limited activity, and in the other side, premium users is equal to way higher limits. So if you have been spamming replies, tweeting a lot or arguing with people all day, yeah, you probably hit the limit. Your only options are wait for the limit to reset after 24 hours or pay for premium. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.